Gusto mo na matulog
The
na?
warm welcome of Savoy Hotel, Boracay, Inyokos, Boracay. And a birthday welcome to Ethan, first birthday of Ethan, celebrating here in Boracay, Savoy. And they're welcome for their guests, Savoy Boracay Hotel. And there's a couch, a table, a fridge, and coffee, and of course the bed. The welcome birthday with balloon. Balloon is already in here because the birthday boy will pop it. That's why we put it here. The balloon.